सारे गा रे ग प द सा सारे सारे गा रे ग प द सा द सा अमृत वर्षा अमृत वर्षा अमृत वर्षा अमृत वर्षा।
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम सीताराम कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए।
जहीं विधि रखे राम तहीं विधि रहिए,
जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए,
जहीं विधि रखे राम तहीं विधि रहिए।
जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए।
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए।
आशा एक राम जी से दूजी आशा छोड़ दे,
आशा एक राम जी से दूजी आशा छोड़ दे,
नाता एक राम जी से दूजा नाता तोड़ दे,
नाता एक राम जी से दूजा नाता तोड़ दे।
काम रस त्याग प्यारे राम रस पीजिए,
काम रस त्याग प्यारे राम रस पीजिए,
काम रस त्याग प्यारे राम रस पीजिए,
काम रस त्याग प्यारे राम रस पीजिए।
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
सीताराम 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 कहिए,
जहीं विधि रखे राम तहीं विधि रहिए,
जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए।
राम 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 राम,
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 राम 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 राम,
राम 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 जय राम, राम 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 जय राम। सीताराम सीताराम। In Punjabi language, if you will write the word Sita Ram, then it can have another meaning too. Although I can see a lot of Gujaratis are here, so they always greet one another by saying Jai Sri Krishna. They don't say Jai Sri Ram. The Uttar Pradesh people say this, Jai Sri Ram. So sometimes when I sing this kind of mantra in the beginning of my song, the bhajan, so many people don't find affinity to it. You know, तो हम तो जय श्री कृष्ण बोलते, ए राम राम हमसे नहीं होता. हाँ. और कभी कभी कोई कंजर्वेटिव सिख हो तो वो भी कहते कि हमसे नहीं बोला जाता. तो मुझे फिर कभी कभी इच्छा होती है उन्हें ये कहने की कि आदि श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहब में 5,000 से ज़्यादा बार राम शब्द आया है. It's plus 5,000 times. One of my, known to Nirmala Mahatma, a very scholarly saint, he printed a book in which he gave account of the numbers, that how many times the word Govind, Narayan, Ram, Sri, Atma, Brahma has come in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Gopal, Govind, Mukund, all these words. And he did a meticulous job in reading all the 1430 pages and taking out the numbers. But still, if someone is, loads of Sufiana Muslims, they listen to me. And those who listen to me, they know me, that when I say Ram, they have no allergy to Rama word too. They sing along with me. Lot many in Karnataka, in Uttar Pradesh, even in Andhra Pradesh, they sing with me. But still, let me give you another meaning to word Sitaram. So if you write in Punjabi language, Sita Ram, then this would be translated into, Si is a word used for the past tense. जैसे हम हिंदी में था बोलते, क्या खाया था, कहाँ गया था. So if it is in Punjabi, तो हो जाएगा की खादा सी, किथे गए सी, सी. सी is the past tense. Ta. Ta means the other, or. And ta is also like a word which joins two words to make a sentence. Ta, tusi kithe gaye si? If in English there would be, so, where were you? So, where were you? The Sita Ram. Now I'm going to give another meaning to these words, and that is, Si mane tha, ta mane to, Ram. Tha to Ram, par bhul ke ban gaya cham, sharir ban gaya. No one else, but in your real sense, in your real form, you are Ram. But you have forgotten your real form, and you have taken this charm. Charm is coming from the word chamada, leather. Right? So this skin, in Hindi would be called chamadi. In UP Hindi, it can be called charm. It also has another word, charma. Sita Ram. You were Ram, but you have forgotten your real self. And you have taken this body made of 5 elements as your real identity, which is not fair to your own self. You are not that what you consider yourself to be. There's a beautiful verses of Kabir where he says, it is also part of Sri Guru Granth Sahib, ना इस माई ना इस पूता, कहो कबीर ए राम की अंश, जस कागद पर मिटे न मंस. Who are you? Kabir says, neither you are son of anyone, nor you are father of anyone. You are part of that divine. And divine is always whole. Divine cannot be cut into a part. So when we say, when the sages, masters say that you are part of God, actually they are saying you are God. But you would say, how? Because your intellect doesn't understand that, your mind doesn't understand that. Hence, there's a lot of confusion. But this is the reality. This is the open secret which I'm saying it to you. You are nothing more than that, and you're nothing less than this. You may consider yourself as a man or a woman, but you are not. Okay, let me ask you a question. When you are in deep sleep, deepest sleep, no REMs, no rapid eye movement, no dream. When you are in the deepest sleep, do you remember you are a man or a woman? क्या याद रहता आपको? In deep sleep, you don't know whether you are a Sikh, Muslim, Hindu, Christian, a communist, socialist, a believer, non-believer, what your political alliances are. You don't remember anything, right? If may I ask you, if you permit me, then I would ask, who are you in your deep sleep? You may say, it is just darkness. How can we say who we are at that time? But do you know? आप अपनी जिंदगी के कम से कम 40% वक्त को नींद में बिताते हो. The beginning 5 to 6 years, the child sleeps from 18 hours to 22 hours. Right? मन बहुत दुखी हो, मन बहुत खुश हो, मन बहुत एक्साइटेड हो, पर जैसे ही आप गहरी नींद में गए, सब खत्म. The deep sleep equalizes us. एक ही कमरे में एक ब्रह्मज्ञानी और एक अज्ञानी सो रहा हो, दोनों गहरी नींद में चले जाएं, दोनों एक से ही होंगे. बस एक फर्क है कि जो ब्रह्मज्ञानी है उसको गहरी नींद कब आई वो ये भी जानता है, और गहरी नींद कब टूटी वो यह भी जानता है. क्योंकि आप ब्रह्मज्ञानी सिर्फ अपने नाम के आगे ब्रह्मज्ञानी लिखने से नहीं हो जाते हो. आप ब्रह्मज्ञानी ज्ञान की पुस्तकें पढ़ के याद करने से नहीं हो जाते हो. आप ब्रह्मज्ञानी तब होते हो जब आप अपनी घोर तमस निद्रा को तोड़कर चेतना को जागृत कर इस मन के आधार में मौजूद परब्रह्म को आत्म रूप से जान लेते हो. सुनते नहीं हो, जान लेते हो. मानते नहीं हो, जान लेते हो. Like for now, you know it that you are a man or a woman. You know it. Say if 10 people sit around you and they say, no, from now on, believe you are a woman. Would you agree to this? Say, are you mad? You must have seen trans whites. They dress up like, the male is dressing up like a woman, and sometimes a woman is dressing up like a man. But actually, who they are, what their gender is, they know it. You can't forget that. But in deep sleep, there is no memory of what your gender is or what is status of your mind, whether it's happy, unhappy, sad, upset, or what. I have seen it. In my neighborhood, an old lady died. Her daughters were wailing and crying and beating their chest. They couldn't accept that their mother is no more. So much so that often on they would fall unconscious. Finally, the doctor was called and he gave a sedative injection. And they were just in sleep. The mother's body was taken, cremation done, and they are still sleeping. And when they woke up finally, they saw that mother is no more and she has been cremated. They again started crying. I was a child at that time, so I was wondering what was administered to these ladies that they stopped crying. They were so much in grief, they were miserable. They were pulling their hairs, beating their chest, shrieking out. But in that sedative moments, they were sleeping like babies, as if nothing has happened. Sleep takes away your pain. And sleep is nature's sedative to us. You don't know how to stop worrying. You have no control on your thinkings. You don't wish to think bad or negative, but yet your mind is hooked on negative thinking. You don't wish to be scared, but yet your mind is in scare all the times. And here comes the sleep in the night, and it lulls you to calmness. Just imagine if sleep wouldn't come to you, say for consecutive 4 to 5 days, there is a possibility you will get deranged. तो गहरी नींद माँ की तरह काम करती है और सुला देती है आपके मन को, मन शांत हो जाता है, मन टिक जाता है और उतनी देर के लिए तुम्हें सब कुछ भूल जाता है, क्या दुख है, क्या खुशी है, क्या गमी है, क्या कर्जा है, क्या लोन है, क्या फैमिली में कोई ट्रेजेडी हुई, कुछ नहीं पता। और उतने घंटे में प्रकृति आपके शरीर को तरोताज़ा कर देती है, एनर्जाइज कर देती है। आपकी सैनिटी, आपकी अकल, आपकी समझ वो आपके लिए सुरक्षित रख लेती है। If I ask you this question, that say, if you are asked to choose, that either you will not be allowed to sleep for next 2 months, either you choose this, and if you do that, then you would be awarded 10,000 pounds, or you keep on sleeping, but you will be given nothing. I know a person who is in great need may say that, yes, I will opt for not sleeping, but we know it is practically impossible to remain awake for this long period. Have you ever seen that when you have not slept for, say, 2 nights or 3 nights, and then people think that their eyes are open and they are not sleeping, but then the sleep takes over, their eyes are wide open and yet they are sleeping. It happens to many so-called early morning risers. They get up to do their part puja or whatever. They are sitting in the posture thinking that they are doing their simran, but the sleep takes over. And they think that they were chanting all the times, but the others know it, that they were not. But they are in this misconception that yes, they were. Whatever you believe about yourself has been given to you by the society. Even your religion has been given to you by the society. But in the deep sleep, you are closest to your own self. In the market, at that time, you have no idea about yourself. Why? Because you have not explored and known yourself. Whatever you know about yourself is borrowed, given by others. 4 लोग आके तुमको कह दें, बड़े सुंदर हो, बड़े सुंदर हो, तुम मानने लग जाते हो कि तुम सुंदर हो. You know, repeatedly, if someone repeats statements to you, you believe about yourself. That is why if in a family a child, a daughter or a son is again and again said that you are a fool, you are a fool, you are a fool, the possibility is this child will grow to be a fool then. No self-confidence, inferiority complex will grow in this child. Someone says you are very wise, you believe you are wise. Someone says 3-4 times you are a fool, you have done wrong mistake, you have not given a right judgment, did not make right decision. Oh my God, you feel that yes, you are incompetent. Can you deal with society's comments without getting affected? So it's a very challenging thing what I'm saying to you. If your officer, if your senior, if your employer every day is yelling at you and saying, you fool, you are incompetent, you don't know anything to, you don't know how to do your job, you don't know how to do your job, you will get depressed. And you will bring all your frustrations to your home. And it is possible then you will leak up this pressure of frustration to your family members. You will yell to your wife, you will yell to your husband, you may yell to your children. You're just passing it out. And that is how the whole society is existing. They are gifting one another their frustrations. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, सूरत तेरी प्यारी है. Naksha means the face. My beloved's face is beautiful. And I have seen my beloved, and now I can just throw my life and heart on his lotus feet. Listen to it. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, सूरत तेरी प्यारी है. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, सूरत तेरी प्यारी है. जिसने भी तुझे देखा, जिसने भी तुझे देखा, 100 जान से वारी है. जिसने भी तुझे
देखा 100 जान से वारी है.
नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, सूरत तेरी प्यारी है. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है. तस्वीर को मैं तेरी, तस्वीर तेरी हमने ऐ जलवाए जाना ना, ऐ जलवाए जाना ना. तस्वीर तेरी हमने ऐ जलवाए जाना ना, ऐ जलवाए जाना ना. 100 तब जाके बनाई है, तब जाके बनाई है. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है. सूरत तेरी प्यारी है, सूरत तेरी
प्यारी है.
जिसने भी तुझे देखा, जिसने भी तुझे देखा, 100 जान से वारी है, 100 जान से वारी है. नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है. ये दिल मेरा मंदिर है, ये दिल मेरा मंदिर है, और मन ये पुजारी है, और मन ये पुजारी है। ये दिल मेरा मंदिर है, ये दिल मेरा
मंदिर है,
और मन ये पुजारी है, और मन ये पुजारी है। मंदिर में जो रखी है, मंदिर में जो रखी है, मूरत वो तुम्हारी है, मूरत वो तुम्हारी है, मूरत वो तुम्हारी है, मूरत वो तुम्हारी है। नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश
है,
सूरत तेरी प्यारी है,
सूरत तेरी प्यारी है।
जिसने भी तुझे देखा,
जिसने भी तुझे देखा,
100 जान से वारी है, 100 जान से वारी है। नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है, नक्शा तेरा दिलकश है। क्या नजर करूं तुमको, क्या नजर करूं तुमको, क्या चीज हमारी है, क्या चीज हमारी है। ये दिल भी तुम्हारा है, और जान भी तुम्हारी है, और जान भी तुम्हारी है। साए में तुम्हारे हैं, किस्मत ये हमारी है, किस्मत ये हमारी है। कुर्बान दिलो जाना, कुर्बान दिलो जाना, क्या शान तुम्हारी है, क्या शान तुम्हारी है, क्या शान तुम्हारी है।